how to fix search option not showing on your home screen on your iPhone. Basically the search option right here is not being shown. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Pretty simple. Watch till the end. So all you're going to do is going to look for the iPhone settings, tap right there, the settings, and then this is what you're going to do. You're going to scroll down and look for what they call home screen and app library. Okay, tap right there, and then you're going to see the search part right here where you see the word search, and then I'm going to show on home screen. So if your search option is not being shown on your home screen, toggle this on. Okay, probably it might have been turned off by accident and all that, then the search option is not being shown. So come back, turn it on, then come back to home screen. You find that the search option is now right there. Okay, that's how you bring back the search option in your iPhone. This is iOS 17. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. See you next time.